Okay, today I would like to introduce you about the home use HIFO facelifting the hollow skin, and it has one prop. One prop has 3 dips, the 4.5, the 3.0, and 1.5. And the prop is no consumable. It has endless shots. And now we can see how to use it. Firstly, you need to press this power button, and the machine is on. This button used for adjusting the dips, and the red light equals the dips. Now it is 1.5, and we adjust it to 3. You can see the red light equals to 3, and we adjust it to 4.5. And it equals to 4.5. And we adjust the energy. The energy is from 1 to 9. We can start from 1 and adjust the energy according to customer's tolerance. And this one shot has 22 dots, and the 22 dots within 22 millimeter. And when we adjust the dips, the energy, put some gears. We can put some gears on the skin and press this button. Okay, when finished the 22 dots, the machine will off. And that's how to operate this machine.